The Sony F1.4 24mm lens from the G series. Is this the best lens that Sony has ever made? Let's find out. Hello, my name is Jutan Al Ahmed, and today we're unboxing the 24mm f1.4 G Master Sony lens, the legendary lens, the lens that gives so much bokeh. I'm excited. I hope you all are. Let's begin with getting the handy knife out. Before we do, as you all know that I always do the outer unboxing comments. I'm actually disgusted. Just look at the way this came. Obviously, I've taken the label off so you guys can't see my address and stuff, but let me show you like that. Wow, unbelievable. I'll show you a front view. Unbelievable. Hopefully you can see that. I think someone's legitimately kicked this around or something. They had to have. How does this happen? I don't know. I don't know. I'm not happy. Anyways, let's begin with cutting it up. Lol, cutting it open. What's my obsession with cutting it up? You know what? It's this knife. This knife is, I love it. It's been the best knife that I've had. Normally, I would have done these unboxings with like a Amazon warehouse knife, like a just a box cutter. But I thought, do you know what? Let's make it a bit more fancy with an actual knife. Okay. I just know the box is already going to be damaged. Oh, by the way, before I do that, this is a lens filter I've got. It's a 67mm filter. It's just because I'm going to apply that straight away. Oh, interesting. Very interesting. Okay, no, it is bent. I thought it won't be because of the way it looked for a second. Right. Wow, the top is fully bent. What the hell's going on? Unbelievable. Unbelievable. By the way, the courier was FedEx. Wow. Wow. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. This better not be damaged. If it is, I'm gonna have to get a refund. Crazy. Look how bent this is. Look at that. Normally I read what's on the box, right? But I can't even read that. Does it say exchange, super change? Okay. Anyways, this is the model number SEL24 F1.4 GM. It's a 67mm lens. The diameter of it. Nano AR coating. XA lens, ED glass, direct drive SSM, 11 blade circular aperture, iris aperture, click switch, fluorine coating, linear response MF. It's got a lens hood and case which is included. Let me just show you all the angles of the box. That's the front, that's the back, that's what's made of the side. Unbelievable. That side there, other side there, and then once again the back. Anyways, let's begin with opening this. Wow. Do you know, it's so damaged that... Oh, hold on, it's coming in a case. Okay, that might have saved everything. Anyways, let's check all this, all the manuals. How is that bent? Okay, they've given it in some different languages. Interchangeable lenses, the European guarantee. Okay. Yeah, it's in many different languages. That's very nice for them to do that. I'll put this to a side. And let's look at the actual lens now. Do you know what? I'll put this box to the side as well. Do you know what? I'm gonna throw it. It's already dented. It's not my fault. Anyway, they gave this little case. Therefore, it is protected in my opinion, which is awesome. It's a little carry case. I put this on my belt buckle when Lord, if I join the police again, I'll put this in my belt buckle and I'll walk around with it rather than my handcuffs. Lord. Anyways, what an awful joke. Uh, anyway, interesting. So the zip comes down like that. Okay. Quality's alright. Oh, they've given a strap so I can actually carry it, which I never will, but that's nice. And the lens, what you've all been waiting for, the lens. And the lens hood. Wow, okay. Let's leave that onto the side there. Okay. So ALC SH154 Sony. This looks nice. Nice, that's great. Okay, the actual lens. It's not too heavy, if I'll be honest. Well, it doesn't seem so. It's got autofocus there, M4, it's an E mount, as you guys know, it's Sony product. So from the G series, FE.4 / 24mm. This is a 24mm lens, and yeah, that's the aperture. Yeah, I'm already putting all my fingerprints on it. That's not good. Show you the lens cap and the back, and I'll open the lens for you just so you can have a nice look. Hopefully that's a very nice look. And the back, very clean. I like it. So, to provide you with a bit more information about this lens, just in case any of you wanted it. So this is obviously a f1.4 lens, which obviously provides, it's the aperture rating, and it provides much more bokeh in your shots, a much more cinematic look, if I be honest. It's got excellent corner-to-corner resolution. The state of the art is the design state of the art. It's got nano AR coating, which enhances flare resistance, which is awesome. It's compact and lightweight, as I said. There's 11 blades, which enhance the bokeh and the beauty effect, which is really, really good. That's what people are after. There's high-power DDSSM and 3D designer optimized for the lens with that. And what does DDSM mean? It's the direct drive. That's basically what they've redesigned. It's an easy D-click for movies, which is awesome. So the click on and off, that's basically, it allows the aperturing to basically stop and to be engaged or disengaged as required whenever you need it. So you can just go straight into focusing modes. It's smooth, versatile, as you already know. It's high reliability on this. It's a Sony product, as we know, and it's one of the best lenses out there. It's versatile finger tip focus control, and the front element is coated with fluorine, which is interesting. I hope you all enjoyed this video of this unboxing of this masterful lens, the GM, the G Master, the Sony 24mm f1.4, the beauty. If you did, make sure you pop a thumbs up. Do comment down below if you have any questions or if you have any opinions of this lens, if you enjoy using it. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe if you like. Lord. Anyway, lastly, let's not forget, together, let's break free from the shackles of modern slavery. See you all next time. Take care.